What's up everyone, it's me again, and yes, welcome back to my channel. So this video is I'm going to show you the test that I did for the GoPro Hero 7 Black.
GoPro turned on.
So this first photo that you can see is what they call as the super photo, which is a new feature of the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and this basically means you're getting better and more clear photos, and it's easy to see. So yeah, that's our example. This is straight out of the camera with no corrections in any applications. Now for the next footage, it's a test of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the iPhone 7 when it comes to their stabilization. Now GoPro Hero 7 has its Hyper Smooth, which is GoPro's new branding for their new stabilization option within the Hero 7 Black, which is not available on their Hero 7 White and Silver. This new option supersedes the existing electronic stabilization of the Hero 5 and 6 series. In GoPro's own words, it is designed to offer gimbal-like stabilization. That sounds amazing. Now, while I appreciate that generosity, I can save you the trouble and tell you that's a very optimistic way of looking at it. Frankly, no, it doesn't offer gimbal-like stabilization. But it does offer better stabilization, and in some cases, substantially better. Settings for this video are both in 4K, 60 frames per second. And these are another sample of the Super Photo HDR mode of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So if you can find some differences of these comparison, don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. Next up is the time warp feature, which is the rest of the world calls hyperlapse. This gives super stabilized time-lapse videos, ideal for longer duration moving subjects or settings. Meaning if you just want to take a video of the sunset, this really isn't the option for you. Instead, it's ideal for doing something like a long drive or walking through a park. This ends my comparison and test for the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click that red button below, like this video, and if you find this useful, don't forget to share it to your friends. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you and peace.